Well, turns out with all the weight of the snow and stuff and the high winds we had last couple days, the Shelter Logic portable garage couldn't handle it. It disintegrated. So I was kind of concerned about it. So I have this tarp all covered in wood just in case. And it did happen. I woke up this morning and it was all ripped to shreds. So the family and I, we put a tarp up here, and now it's all closed in again, and this summer I guess I'll have to buy another one because there's nothing left of it. It's just shredded. But I'll see how things go and buy another one, and if it can last another 5 years, well, that's pretty good.